In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A16 and today I would like to show you how you can change sleep time to never. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Caffeine Keep Screen On. When it's ready, launch it. Then hit OK in Welcome pop-up. Tap on Timeout to make sure Infinite is on and go into Tab menu. Then you need to edit it thanks to this pen icon at the top right corner. Select Edit under Full and finally look for the Caffeine shortcut in Available Buttons section. Hold it, drag it to your current shortcut menu, let go, hit Done and go back. Lastly, go back to Tab menu and click on your Caffeine shortcut. To tap on this switcher next to Allow Permission. After that, you can click on it to activate it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!